The word we'll be learning in this section is tomoni, which you will often hear in situations involving talking about activities done with others or events happening simultaneously. The word tomoni means together or along with. It's used when you want to express doing something alongside someone or something else, or when two actions are happening concurrently. The first kanji means together or shared. It shows up in words like kyodo, where people work together, and in kyokan, where people share the same feelings. In both cases, this kanji gives the sense of doing or feeling something in common. Spend time with a friend. 友達と共に過ごす。友達と共に過ごす。We work together. 私たちは共に働きます。私たちは共に働きます。Walk together with the dog. 犬と共に歩く。犬と共に歩く。Talk together with him. 彼と共に話す。彼と共に話す。The most common synonym of the word tomoni is 一緒. While both mean together, 一緒 is often used more conversationally, whereas tomoni can have a slightly more formal tone or context. The most common antonym of the word tomoni is 別々. While tomoni means together, 別々 means separately. They are opposite in usage when describing how actions are performed or how people are dealt with.